How to wear two hairs at once in Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can wear two hairs at once in Roblox. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you open up your Roblox and if you navigate to your accessories section and if you try to add multiple hairs, only one hair will be applied at a time. But if you want to add two hairs at a time, then you have to add an extension into the Chrome. So here you can minimize this and you have to open up your browser in your device. So open up your Google Chrome and here is this extension icon at the top right. Click on it and here click on Manage Extension. Now here head towards the Chrome Web Store and under Chrome Web Store you have to search for BT Roblox and then you have to add this extension into your Chrome. Here click on Add to Chrome and here click on Add Extension. Once you have added your extension, now you have to open up roblox.com and make sure that you're signed in. Now head over to your accessories section. So once you're under your accessories section, now click on this extension at the top right corner and here you have to click on BT Roblox. Once you see this kind of interface, scroll down a bit and head towards the advanced option. Under advanced, make sure that this option as avatar.remove layer limit is checked on and make sure all of these options are checked on as well. So once you have added this BT Roblox extension in your Chrome and if you log in via roblox.com, you can add multiple hair at a time. Now if you see here, this multiple hairs has been added into your avatar and that's how you can add multiple hair on the Roblox. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.